Kentucky. I brought more Dr. Jessica McClanahan, the owner of Healthy Smiles of the Bluegrass, is back in the studio to talk to us about another crazy DIY procedure at home. How are you?
Great.
You look pretty in pink.
Thank you.
Okay, so this is, last time you were on, we talked about braces. All right, and I don't think this is as crazy.
No.
Because the braces were a little bit out there, the home girls and guys doing home braces.
Yeah.
This is talking about doing home charcoal and how it helps, supposedly, to whiten teeth.
Right.
So let's get in there. What are the kids all out there doing?
Well, there are several different brands of charcoal toothpaste.
Oh, okay.
And that you can buy. They're advertised on Amazon. Some are being sold in stores. Some are being sold at little home parties, kind of like Mary Kay product type stuff. But anyway, they all contain charcoal. They also have silica and alumina, and those are very, very abrasive products.
Okay. Well, back in the day, people did use charcoal to clean their teeth, and then sticks to clean around. What is charcoal doing to the teeth, and is it safe? So let's start with safe first.
Well, it really isn't safe. There's really been no research. There's no evidence that what it's actually doing is healthy or good for your teeth. What we do know as dentists is that things that are abrasive, and we know that charcoal is abrasive, will remove enamel.
Well, and I'm also looking at this picture that you just brought up. Is this post or pre?
This is during.
Yeah.
So some of the toothpastes are going to be more charcoal colored. And so here is a picture of someone who is using one of those charcoal pastes, and it's,
Is that what it looks like when it goes on your teeth?
I think some of the products are darker. They do have some I've seen that are more toothpaste colored.
Oh my gosh. This, well, doesn't look great. Doesn't look great at all. What happens when we do use charcoal?
Well,
what happens to our teeth?
What's happening, at first it may appear like your teeth are whiter. Okay, so this makes it very appealing. But what's actually happening is the small particles, or actually there's large particles in this charcoal toothpaste, are abrading the tooth in such a way, or removing the outer layer in a way that the light will transmit through the tooth, making it appear whiter at first.
Yeah.
Okay, but with these small pieces of tooth gone, what happens is the tooth is going to pick up stain a lot quicker.
Yeah.
So it's got these small particles in it now that it didn't have before. It's not as smooth. The tooth surface is irregular. It's going to pick up stain. You're going to have a really hard time with cavities, with sensitivity. Long term, if you use this toothpaste long term, you could even have to have very serious procedures like root canals, crowns.
This is crazy. Okay, doctor. It's very difficult to convince people sitting at home not to buy these things.
Right.
All right. But what do people expect to happen, and what can you tell them if they are going to try these? Like, it's difficult to tell them, don't ever do it, because people still...
Right. I almost think sometimes that makes them even more wanting to.
Exactly.
But I have had several patients say, what do you think about this toothpaste, or what do you recommend? And my recommendation is, I like for my patients to use an ADA approved toothpaste, or a toothpaste that we know is safe. We really don't know that much about these toothpastes right now. We know that for the short term it does make the teeth appear white, but people who are using this daily are already showing some signs of sensitivity and wear. So if you continue to use this as your main toothpaste that you use day and night, you're going to see some abrasion, some wear.
And we just saw a picture of an ADA approved product logo. So this you can see on toothpaste, this you can see on toothbrushes, anything to do with dental work.
That's right.
That's what we need to look for when we're out there shopping. Listen, if you want to have your teeth whitened, you really do need to have them done professionally. So, of course, Healthy Smiles of the Bluegrass always give us a great promotion. There it is, Opalescence Go. I use this product, absolutely adore it. A box of 10 disposable white trays for $99.99. It really does work. Here's all the information for you now. If you want to head over to their website, healthysmilesofthebluegrass.com, or give them a call.